Hi, my name is Niki, and today I'm going to make an explosion. I already have the bottle. I have a medium-sized bottle with vinegar, and just for fun I added some green food coloring. So these are the ingredients I need. I already told you this one, so now we're starting from vinegar. I have some vinegar. I also have some baking soda. And I have a funnel and a balloon. Okay, so let's get started. So, I put the balloon right here. I'm going to add some baking soda. Oh my god. Sorry, it's just there. Okay, I think that's good. I already started this part, so you could add a little bit more. So, that's squishy. So, yeah, I added some baking soda in here. I already added some, so you could add a little bit more. But that's kind of squishy at the bottom. So, now I'm going to put the balloon from here on top of the part where you place on lids. Like this, put it on. So I put the balloon on. It's going to look like this. So I'm going to flip the balloon up so the baking soda and vinegar mix around for the balloon to get big. But it's not, don't worry, it's not going to explode outside. So I'm going to start right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Touch it. It feels so good. Best explosion ever. So, I hope you like my explosion. Woo! And I hope you subscribe to my channel or hit the thumbs up button. Bye.